You're a real estate agent, you want your business to grow. Maybe you're struggling to get leads right now and you're trying to figure out what is the best avenue for you to take to grow your business. Should you pay Zillow, Realtor, Truly.com for leads? Should you do that? Should you go out there and run ads on Facebook? Should you do open houses? Should you do cold calling? Should you do door knocking? There's so many options that you can take advantage of, but it's confusing on which route is the best one for you. When I first started off in real estate, I had a full-time job and I didn't have the capital to spend on online marketing. I really couldn't afford mailers, certainly couldn't afford Zillow or anything like that. So I had to figure out what I could do that would maximize the use of my time and be absolutely free aside from the energy investment in it. There are three things that I came up with. I could call for sale by owners because those were free. I could find their information on Zillow. I can do open houses. Those were free. I just had to connect with agents that had listings. And three, I could go door knocking, which was completely free. I didn't need anybody's data or a phone service to do it. So those are my three options. And believe it or not, I chose all three. I did all of them. But the one that had the best ROI for me and the biggest impact on my business was door knocking. And I used door knocking in several different ways. I used it to advertise for open houses. I used it to build my farm. I used it to collect data and give invites for brand awareness. So there's a lot of things that can be accomplished with door knocking. One of the agents on my team actually just got a listing lead from door knocking for his open house. And what I want to share with you today are the 4 components that you must have with you in your script when you go door knocking. And you may be saying to yourself, I don't want to bother people, that's rude, I hate door knocking, but hear me out. If you take this approach, door knocking is going to feel more like a duty than it is a chore. So what are the 4 elements of door knocking? Well, 1, personable. When you show up to the door, you've got to have a smile on, you've got to be dressed appropriately, create some distance from the door and you so that you're not right up in their space, and the way you greet them is going to set the tone for the whole interaction. Number 2, bring value. What are you going to the door for? If you're going to the door just to ask if they're interested in selling that home, that may be a failing formula or cause you to have to door knock 4 to 5 times more than you would with this approach. Third, have a way to collect information. The way I train my team and my clients to do door knocking, we're there at everybody's door for a purpose. We're gonna give value and then we're gonna ask for something in return, being their contact information. So have a way to record their contact information, whether it's on an electronic device or you're writing it down, and make sure you collect the address as well so that you can pair all of that together. And lastly, guys, you have to have a follow-up strategy. And keep in mind, most people you talk to at their door are not even thinking about selling. This is a long-term game. But you will run into people that are wanting to sell sooner rather than later. The key is to do it so consistently that you have a mixture of both. You have people that are willing and ready to sell the moment you talk to them, but you've also had people in your database that have been a year out, 6 months out, 18 months out, so that your business is continuously fed through that pipeline. You always have somebody that's ready to go, getting ready to go, and will be ready further down the road. And for watching this video all the way through, if you did, I'm gonna give you guys an opportunity to get our door knocking script. Just email me, info@smithteam@dfw.com, and in the subject line, put door knocking script. I will email you the door knocking script so that you have it, you can take it out there and use it. This script got me 6 closed transactions in 1 hour's worth of door knocking. Thank you guys again for watching. Jeremy Smith, living an epic life in real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notifications, share this video with your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.